Hi, welcome and thanks for stopping by. Me and my family have been doing the plant-based diet for a couple years now. I really think it's the best diet out there. I've researched a ton, I've tried different things. I think this one is the most natural, it's got the most benefits, it's the healthiest, as helping the environment, helping out animals. And I want to share my expertise, all the knowledge I've gained, just insights and how you can actually live the lifestyle, how you can incorporate it. I'll get into more advanced topics of what are all the benefits you'll see, what are foods you can eat, maybe even some recipes to make it easier just to incorporate it into your life, and also just why it is better for not just ourselves, but the environment, for animals. Thank you for joining me in this journey. I'm just going to start out with explaining the basics of what the plant-based diet is. So the plant-based diet is not really a diet that somebody came up with, as you think of most diets were developed usually for the goal of weight loss, like South Beach diet or Atkins diet or keto diet. Really, the plant-based diet is just an observation that was made, that when we look at these groups of people who are living the longest and are the healthiest in terms of not having as many diseases, there's just an observation that they're eating a certain more natural way, which is having a large majority of their food being plant-based with minimal or no meat products. Also, there was Dr. Campbell, who did the Forks Over Knives series, and he did the Oxford China study and found that over decades of tracking dietary habits with a large number of people, that the healthiest way to eat was actually a plant-based diet and cutting out meats and animal products. So basically, the plant-based diet is, just as the name implies, it's just eating as many whole plant-based foods as possible. Those are foods that just grow in the ground, that are plants that we can consume. And examples are basically fruits, vegetables, beans, nuts, and whole grains. You may even consider oils as a food. And really, it's eating as much of that as possible, and either completely eliminating or minimizing as much as possible meat and any other kind of animal products like dairy. Research has found that when we consume usually about 5% or more of animal protein in our diet, it begins to trigger things inside of our body, which actually leads to the aging process and also the formation of things like cancer, tumors. And as well as, when we eat a healthier plant-based diet, not only do we get all the great antioxidants and nutrients and vitamins that come from that, and all the natural things that are found in plants that will naturally heal and give our body energy. And another thing is that when we eat plant-based, we get more fiber into our diet, which is beneficial for the good bacteria that's in our gut, which greatly improves what is called the microbiome, which can also greatly impact our health. Another question you might have is veganism and vegetarianism the same as the plant-based diet? And yeah, it is. Anytime you're cutting out animal products, you have to replace it with a plant-based product, because that's the two items we have to eat. So, veganism is the complete removal of all animal products, and so you're eating 100% plant-based products, and then of course vegetarianism is just the removal usually of just the meat, but maybe still consuming other animal products. And both are good methods of the plant-based diet. It might be a little extreme for some people and hard to do at first or to sustain over their lifetime, but they're both excellent diets. We are pretty much quasi vegan, so we're about 95% plant based with very small amounts of animal products and pretty much no meat. So, really, whether you're looking just to improve your own health or lose weight, or you want to help prevent your own disease in your body, like cancer or tumors, you want to improve your mental health and clarity, or help to prevent dementia, or if you're an athlete and you want better performance, or you just care about the future of our environment and planet and climate change and just the sustainability of our soil and just being able to grow food in the future. And also, if you're someone who cares about animal rights, the plant-based diet is for you. I mean, it covers so many viewpoints. It benefits so many people, and I think you will probably find something that it will resonate with you in one way or another and help benefit your life as well as others. All right, so thanks for stopping by and watching. I really appreciate it. If you could, please hit the like button, help promote this video and message. Also, if you could, subscribe to future videos, as I'm gonna have tons of practical videos and plant-based news and just all kinds of stuff. So it'll be something for everybody, and if you could also even share the video, that's greatly appreciated. I'm sure there's probably somebody at least that you know who would benefit from the plant-based diet, and that we can all benefit as a whole. The planet can benefit. So again, thanks for watching, and check out the next video. Thanks.